Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs, one of the easiest tools for creating and editing documents online. To use Google Docs properly, you first need Google Drive. Let's say someone sent you a Word file or a Google Docs file. You know, a .docx document on WhatsApp or by email. Now, let's open it. Then, click on this icon to share it, and select Docs from here. This message tells you to save it to Google Drive before opening your document. Just select Save to Drive. Now the file is open. But to understand it better, if we go to Google Drive, we'll see that the file has been uploaded there automatically. That's where your documents are stored safely in the cloud, so you can open them anytime from any device. After you upload or create a file in Google Drive, you can share it by clicking the three dots next to the file. To open it, just click on the file. Now you can start editing by clicking on the pencil icon. When you're finished, click the checkmark icon to save your changes. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.